Hi all, welcome to pantech eLearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Particular kind of a system, it is nothing but known as the IoT, known as Internet of Things. So now onto this, we can make some changes. I'm just deleting this. Like once when we are going to add the humidity as well as the temperature, so therefore we need that respective atmosphere. So for that, here I am just making the thermometer 0 to 100, color based on logic. And with color logic, if it is greater than 1, it is green, and if it is greater than 30, yeah, we can make it as 33, 34, okay, so that it will be red. So it is ready. Now install that. Okay, variable, we forgot to select the variable. Click on add variable. AR will be the variable. Yeah, now we can add it, make it a little bit bigger so that everyone will be able to see. Now similarly for humidity, so for humidity there is no other option. We can use our gauge itself, gauge meter. Make it as 96, it is 1. Doesn't 96 means the humidity is danger. Okay. Now initialize it. So now our gauge is also ready. Okay, fine. Now everything is ready from our side. Now we have to make the changes inside our codings. As usual, we have ready-made DHT. Just copy paste that particular required parts. Copy. I think we have made some mistakes, like we have to select a different variable. Okay, so now let us make a small change. Okay, so let us create another one variable that will be better for us, else we will be struggling for our output. Yeah, so we have made that particular codings. Only that variable we have to check. Create a variable, raw data, variable name is br. So we have created another one safely. Now we will get that particular requirements. Okay, so now everything is ready. The most important part is we have to just interface the sensor. So take the sensor, connect the wires, and now therefore we will be able to collect the data. Okay. Now our sensor is also ready. Okay, so now I hope everyone is able to see that particular hardware. Now I am going to run this. Okay, now it has started. So here I must change that particular variable, then only I will be able to see. Okay, so we are successfully able to get it, and now it is completely clear. I think initial itself it is 33, 34 like that. Now that particular data will be changing. Just I have blown onto the sensor. Let us wait for periodical upload. So like this only we will be working with interfacing the sensors onto Raspberry Pi using Ubidots. Okay, so this is the way we will be working on it. Now like this itself, let us go for the controlling part. It is a little bit more interesting. So onto the controlling part, we require some more space. Let me reduce this. Let me reduce this also. Yeah. So let's just keep on going. Let us add one more. So before that, we have to add the variable onto it. So go for variable. Click on add variable, and I'm just providing another variable known as CR. Now here we have a separate code for it. Let this run simultaneously. So onto this, here this is the code. So import requests. So here many of them, if you don't have that particular request file in your Raspberry Pi in your Windows means, you can just provide it as sudo pip3 install requests, or at the same time you can also use sudo like hereby sudo pip3 install requests. Mostly this requests we might have seen for ThinkSpeak itself. Okay, sudo pip3 install request. So that is, if needed, we can use. Okay, so from that particular request we will be able to interface this tokens and all with APIs as easy as possible. Now from that particular request, here we have to collect the random. So randomly it will be collecting the data as input. That's why time for delay purpose rp.gpio for pin mode. Okay, to select the pin mode, and gpio.bcm Broadcom pin, and 21 pin as output. So that pin only we are declaring. Then this token will be the same token of API, and this particular device name and the variable, that will be completely changed. So what is that device label? RASPB, known as RASP. Once again, let us copy that. And here our variable is CR. Okay, so that will be our variable. And whatever the condition I have given, if get var device variable equal to 1.0, then light is on, else, not else, it doesn't, if condition, if it is 0.0, the light is off. So hereby we have our own very good light. So this light only we will be using. So now we are just connecting the light, connect ground to ground, and the positive pin to 21st of Raspberry Pi. So usually we will be having the datasheet. By seeing the datasheet itself, we can connect it. So now I have connected with the jumper wire. The hardware part is ready. The coding part is also ready. Now we have to just modify something inside our cloud. Go to dashboard, add widget. Here we have an option for switch, click on switch, add variable. So inside RASP device we have three variables. I am going to use CR variable. Off message, on message, and maximum value will be 1, minimum value will be 0. So also we can define it over here. Yes. Now our switch is also ready. Okay, so this will be the switch. Now just let us test our switch on off. Yes, it is working. Now let us go and run the code. So I'm going to run this code. Parallelly, our DHT code also doesn't process. It is also running. I'm going to run this code also. Yeah, so successfully it is working. Now we can see that particular outputs. I'm going back to the cloud. So hereby I'm just providing so that we can see that data. So 0.0, therefore light is off. Now I'm going to turn it on. 1.0, and now we can see that the light is on. So there you can see that particular red highlighting over here. Now similarly I'm just going to turn it off. So this is the way to work with Ubidots. Now it has been turned off. So in this way we can make that particular creations with controlling from the cloud. So guys, I hope everyone is clear with this. Okay. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.